Hello. Almost done for the day. Again, we're here early. Just gonna let it. I'll get started right at 5. Got a couple people who haven't finished. We will. Yeah, let's just hide names. A couple people haven't finished. We'll see if they do finish. I might as well set out the first question. Just gonna keep waiting for a few minutes. Hope everybody's doing good. Ready to go back to work and everything. Oh. Oh. I got in my car the other day and there was a spider web in the car. It's been so long since I've gone anywhere. Spiders start cobwebs and stuff start appearing inside of my car. That's kind of funny. It smells like my wife started cooking. That's good. Just gotta wait a few more minutes. Has either of you two looked at the test yet? To hopefully you got all three tests, because that's what you're supposed to have. Uh, I'm interested to see how everybody does. I mean, it's a open book, open computer. Like, what are we gonna do? Go to your house and watch you take the test? Like, it's a pretty open everything test. So I should have a bunch of hundreds, but we'll see. You know, I was watching my Roomba a minute ago. It was stuck between two of the legs of the table behind me, and it just kept hitting that one leg, and it kept trying to get around it, and it just kept going around one of the legs. It would turn like a complete 360 and run into the leg again. All right. And I know I don't need to tell you guys this, but if I contact you about something, I need a response. Uh, like I've been messaging people that have not been like, if they don't do a couple quizzes, I'll message them like, "Hey man, what's up? Just trying to touch base. I'm trying to be real reasonable about this. I get that y'all have a life at home going on. So this is not like, it's 6 questions. How long does it take to answer 6 questions? Uh, but yeah, I've just been trying to contact everybody, give everybody like a little bit of lenience, but I still got to get some participation. And you four are not the ones that I need to be talking to, but maybe this will get to somebody else. Oh, Danny told me or emailed me just a few minutes ago, and I'll send this in an update in a little bit. You can pick up the tests between I want to say 11:30. Test pickups. Please advise the students it is okay to pick up tests on class day from 11:30 to 2. After that, they will not be available. Remind them special arrangements can be made if necessary prior to pickup time. So, contact the office if you need special arrangements. But other than that, he broadened the window. Because I guess a few people have. I know Dustin wanted to pick his up early. I don't know what they're doing about that. But they're letting people pick it up early. So that's good. I'm not entirely sure the reason for the reduced window, but yeah. All right, let's go ahead and get started so we can get finished. If some of you leave before I finish, I will be taking this quiz down at 5:30. I have a handful of people that haven't started the quiz, so I want to give them their full extent. I will take this quiz down at 5:30 and put up the generic or the general overall quiz with all the questions. All right. North America is 60 hertz. Everybody should know that. Y'all did good. Electrical distribution systems shut off devices operate in a similar way to blank devices used in industrial and commercial operations. Yeah, overcurrent devices. Yep. Let's go back to here. Let's look at Chapter 6. That's where we're at. Chapter 6. For those of you playing the home game. Everybody's playing the home game. That joke actually makes sense. The most efficient way to send electric power over transmission lines is at the lowest current possible. The reason for this is power loss on a transmission line, all power loss, but is power loss is equal to I squared times R. So, you can either change the current or the resistance to change your power loss. If you reduce the resistance, you don't get as much bang for the buck as you reduce current. Also, how do you reduce resistance in a transmission line? Bigger wire. Bigger wire is expensive. So reducing resistance isn't a option. So I squared current. Reducing your current is a great way to reduce your power loss. When power lines are operating at their maximum power load, they can get hot and can sag and reduce clearances to vegetation. This happened, it's in your book. It happened once. Like it shut down the whole East Coast or something. It was crazy. I can't remember. There was like a great power outage of 1902 or something like that. It was because the power lines got too hot and touched some trees. Well, this is a generator. If you read the question, this definition of generator. All right, last question. Utilities normally generate three-phase AC power. It's easier to generate three-phase power than single-phase power. I say easier. It's more efficient, or it's just as easy to generate three-phase, and it's easier to generate three-phase, and then the places that need three-phase get it, and then you just pull off one or two phases for your single-phase customers, and you have everything covered. If that makes any sense. If you only generated single-phase AC, you'd be kind of up a creek for the customers that needed three-phase. You'd have to generate specifically for those customers that needed three-phase. All right. It is 5:06. I'm going to leave this up. You guys have a good couple weeks. Get those tests done. I can't answer just blatant questions, but I can, like, if you have a question about the test, something's not clear, I can answer those. Just probably the best way is to send me a picture of your question, and ask your questions that way. I can basically I can answer what I can answer in class. I can't do anything more. You have access to your books. You have access to your homework. You have access. I'm going to put all these quizzes up, and I did see some of the test questions in these quizzes, or very similar questions. So hopefully that's worthwhile. Hopefully I don't get in trouble for it. So I didn't put them, like, I didn't update these quizzes to include these test questions. They just already had them. All right. Yeah, and last, I think I get the tests that I gave her are in order. So, uh, go in order through the book, or go use your homework in order. Yeah. All right, guys. I'm gonna hop off here. You guys have a good couple weeks, and we will stay in touch. All right. Bye.